Oh my gosh, y'all, this yellow car beside me is reflecting the light so bad and is driving me absolutely nuts. Let's see if I can turn. Okay, that's better. All right, so right now I am at Miracle Hill thrift store and I'm going to get out and thrift around for a little bit with you guys. Hopefully we'll find something. I don't have much time. I'm kind of just fitting this in right before I go do something in my son's school. And so, you know, on those days where you just don't have a lot of time, you just got to try to run in and give yourself an opportunity to find something. So we're going to see if that happens for us. Whoa, mama. Look at the price on these things. $26? I don't think so. No! All right, so let's see what they want for these Croc sandals.
Oh my God.
Their prices are so ridiculous sometimes. And they need to mop the floor. I may have gotten this in the winter season, but not now in the warmer weather. There really wasn't a whole lot, and I didn't have much time to explore. I actually went over to the jeans, and I feel like that's where I scored. I picked up those Levi's. I picked up these Armani jeans. So they were each $4.75 a piece. So even though most of these aren't going to sell for more than $25 to $35, I thought it was great. And they usually have a good sell-through rate. These Silver Company jeans, I really liked them and they were in good condition. I got 4 pairs of the Silver Company jeans, and then I got 2 pairs of Levi's, and then I got the Armani jeans. So I got 7 pairs of jeans. So I don't know. I thought that was a good score. What do you guys think? I so wish I would have had more time so that I could look up some of the other brands that I found. I know Kenneth Cole probably isn't good. I found some called Big Star jeans. I think I'm about to show those in just a minute. Oh, there's the other pair of Levi's. But I just didn't have the time to check the sell-through rates and the comps for every single pair of jeans I found. So I kind of stuck with things that I was a little more familiar with. There was Lucky Brand and, again, the Big Star jeans. The sell-through rate on those didn't look very good. So here are the other silver jeans that I found. And again, if you're checking like the comps and the sell-through rate, you're going to want to check the specific size. And I did not have a chance to do that, but I was still happy with what I got. Here was the sell-through rate for no in particular size. So I really needed to get over to my son's school. I was running out of time, but I did find myself these extra small Athleta fuzzy pants. So that was a score for me. Now let's head over to my son's school.
All right.
They were performing a mock trial and he was the bailiff.
Superior Court of the State of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Mark Miller presiding in today's case. Please be seated and come to order.
Back to work we go. So what happened? I had a no sale day on eBay yesterday. So the good part of that is I don't have to take anything to the post office. The bad part of that is I had no sales. That's the first time that's happened to me in over a month. If you've had a no sale day lately, don't let that discourage you. Just get on there, list, source, and keep doing what you're doing, and you're going to come out of that slump. Alrighty, so let's get back to sourcing here. I found another couple of fig scrub tops, and it just doesn't seem to be worth it to pick them up anymore. And they both actually had ink stains on them, which you can plainly see on this one. So I definitely did not get those. This was a rather slow trip for me. You know, it's not every time that you're going to find something magnificent. This was a Ralph Lauren silk like blazer. I think I showed the tag. Yeah, it's 100% silk. But oh my gosh, y'all, it had stuff all over it and it could only be dry cleaned. But guess what I found? Always check those pockets. So I mean, like, essentially I got paid just for looking at it. So I'm cool. I'm happy with that. Didn't end up picking it up, but I got $1. So these I would never pass on. These are like a Spanx extra large women's jogger, and they sell great and for decent money. So I was hoping to find something else, you know, along those lines, but instead I found these wild, colorful pants, and can you guess the brand? Yeah, so they're Trina Turk, and they were like an a large or a medium, and I was actually going to buy them, but then I realized somebody had cut off the bottoms of them. How rude! Now these, I really went back and forth. These are some diesel jeans, but as you can see, there were things peeling off and strings everywhere, and there were some, other little malfunctions going on with the pants. So I said no. But then I flipped through the shorts, and I found these Lily Pulitzer shorts. I love the elephant print ones, and they were in a good size. They're a size 14. So you really got to watch the patterns on these things, because some of them can sell super duper great. So I got both of those. We picked this shirt up in my last video, and it just sold. I've had pretty good luck selling men's buckle jeans, but I haven't sold any women's. I would have to look for like a flare leg or a wide leg. This Robert Graham shirt, it just wasn't doing it for me. It wasn't exciting, y'all. It's just so boring. Okay, guys, let me just show you a repeat of what just happened. Oh, goodness. So I was taking my photos of this giant hunting suit, whatever the heck it is, and I was checking the pockets as I usually do. And you know, guys, always check your pockets. All right, we're at our last stop of the day, and if you haven't hit the like button, go for it. All right, so this ugly, disgusting puppet, was actually by a great brand, but it was in really bad condition. Not gonna lie, I totally got nostalgic when I was looking at this little stereo or boombox. Other than that, I can't find anything. Our electronics, they stink. We never have anything good in these sections. I wish I could pick something up from over here. Someone tell me, did I make a mistake not getting any of these? These were I guess, bike riding bibs or something? I don't know. If you're familiar, let me know in the comments. So I'm gonna check out some more of these hard goods, and wow, look at the chip I totally missed on that one. Anyway, we just don't have many good things. Now, I've seen some good stuff in the past. I really have. It's just not often. So I really stick to the clothes because it's just more accessible and easier to find some things to sell. I do love when I find a great hard good though. This guy was cute. Here was a little oil lamp, and it was cute, but the comps it just wasn't going to be worth it. So I looked around at the cups. I'm always looking for anything that catches my eye. I also really stink when it comes down to looking through the books. I can never find anything in the books either. It's not my strong suit. But let's talk about purses, okay? I'm gonna look through a few of these. Go back to my previous video and you will see I picked up these really cool purses. I sold one for $215.44 all in, and the other one for $265.85 all in. If you want to know what brand purses those were, go check out my previous video. I always look through the wallets and everything. This clutch looked cute. It had a lot of wear, but I wanted to show it to you guys anyway because it's by Hobo, which is generally a really good brand to pick up. So, too bad that one was in bad shape. So let's head over to the shoes and see what they have over there. All right, so let's start out with these really dirty pair of Nikes, and I checked a couple of other shoes. There just really wasn't a whole lot out today. So those are marked 25 on the bottom. I don't know if that was their price or a previous price, but that was going to be a no for me. Then I spotted these, and if you're not familiar with these are UFOs. Maybe I'm butchering that name, but keep an eye out for them because they actually sell really well. They're like recovery shoes. Anyway, there's what they usually sell for, or about 25. The shoe racks were really just kind of blank at this store. Those were some beat up Sam Edelmans. I know you can't see on there. These brought back memories because my son used to wear those same shoes. As I said in the last video, Keen is a really good brand, but for $6.50, I wasn't going to really make enough off of these sandals, even though they were like a Mary Jane style, which is like a great seller. And here's a brand I've only run into before with a couple of polo shirts. Check this out. It was a vintage women's Coogie coat, and from what I could tell, it was authentic. I did definitely check the comps on that, and mine was in really bad condition. Again, it's hard to see that on the camera. A lot of spots, and so yeah. I checked it, and it looked like this person was selling it in great condition for $60, so I left it behind. So my last stop of the day was over in the men's section, and looky here, I found 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 511 tactical men's. They're like a performance shirt. They have the double-breasted pockets and the little vent on the back of the shirt. Those will sell for like $25 a piece. They're a size extra large. So guys, I couldn't film everything in real time because there was another reseller there. He was like in the same racks I was, so I had to be quick. Those Lululemon, those are going to be for me. The Spanx, I think the camo pattern will be what sells them. And then I picked up this vintage, it was like from 1996, Betty Boop, but it had bad stains, so I put it back. I actually got this for half off of $4.75, and it was a Madewell sweater, and so yeah, that was really cute. And then this was also half off of $4.75, and it was a large Sundance shirt. I think that'll sell pretty good. Let's see what else I have here. Oh, this previously was from the Clothes Mentor store. Guess it didn't sell. This is like an Anthro brand, and it sold new for like $30, so I figure maybe $23 to $25 on that. And then I've tried to stay away from Free People, but this one was a size large, so I'm going to try to sell it. Last thing was a J. Jill shirt, and it was really cute, but I didn't want to pay the full price for it. Maybe I can get it for half off next time I go. And there we go, Lily Pulitzer again. This was a size large romper, and it was really cute. Well, that wraps up this trip, guys. I can totally relate to my dog Bailey right now. I am going to sleep. But first, everybody wake up and hit that like and subscribe button to see more videos.